Rick with the best of everything. Let's take a look at hairdryer diffuser professional hairdryer bonnet attachment tool for salon do-it-yourself home care curly or wavy hair, dry and gain volume without frizz. Yellow from Yosoo. So the Yosoo diffuser in yellow. This is pretty cool. Basically, it takes that hot air that comes blowing out of your dryer nozzle between 1.77 and 2.15 inch. This does have little rubber things to stick it up there. So you want the type that has either a straight nozzle or a conical gradual cone. You just jam that up on there, and the girls run off with the hairdryer. So you whip that on there, and instead of blowing the air straight out of the nozzle at you, then you have a adjustable variable. See that? And you can adjust the flow. Spread it out. It has these little fingerlets here, which also, so as you blow it, you can kind of stroke it through your hair. Now, if you have a one of the new fancy types, it has a tourmaline crystalline generator in it to create negative ions, and it will of course also distribute the negative ions through the wafting hair and make for a much smoother. But with the little diffuser, you can get a better effect. It won't suck the curl out of the curlies. Another little interesting add-on for your personal maintenance toolkit. I imagine when the girls come back, they will take that and put it with the fancy smancy blowing hairdryer. Get one, I did, and I am darn happy about it. I know everybody else will be happy about it when they see that too. Nice diffuser. Professional grade equipment.